Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 9. Question number 9 is Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the marked price. Let the marked price let the marked price let the marked price be X, and we know that discount is equal to discount is equal to marked price minus sale price minus marked price minus sale price minus sale price, right? And discount you're getting 20%. If the market price be X, therefore discount is 20% of X, 20% of X, that is a discount. And here you have taken market price as X minus what is the sale price? Rupees 1600. Sale price is rupees 1600. 1600. Therefore 20% of X is 20 by 100 into X is equal to X minus 1600. Or you can get by transposing, that is X minus 20 by 100. X is equal to 1600, that is on transposing 1600. Or you are getting 100 minus 20 by 100. X is equal to 1600. 1600, and that is given 100 minus 20, that is 80. 80 by 100. X is equal to 1600. 1600. Or you can find the value of X as X is equal to 1600 into 100 by 80. This is 100, this one is 100. 1 0 0. This 0 will cut, right? And 8 2 is 16. That is, we are getting 2000 rupees. 2000. Value of X is 2000. Therefore, the marked price was rupees 2000. Therefore, the marked price, the marked price is rupees 2000, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.